How to fix error code 57 in Valorant. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix error code 57 in Valorant. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, simply open up your CMD. Search for command prompt or CMD and here you'll find run as administrator option. Tap on that. After that, give it permission. After you give it permission, you will be right here. Now what you'll need to do is run two commands. One is sc delete vgc. Do this, hit enter, and after that, the second command is sc delete vgk. All you have to do is remove the k with the c or c with the k. After you've done that, what this does is this deletes or stops the service of Riot Vanguard. After doing that, simply restart your computer once, and after that, your problem should get fixed. And that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're new to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.